Hi guys, my name is James Pinto and today I'll be unboxing the Iqos 3 Duo. Double the hits, double the fun, faster charging. After this unboxing video, I will do another video why the Iqos 3 Duo should be your friend. If you want to hit. Presenting the Iqos 3 Duo. Launched early this year in Indonesia, a combination of the best of all past models. Current color options include gold, blue, white and grey. Here's the hole-in-one. You can now smoke 2 heats in a row. One full charge can last you 35 hits. Here's a tip. Take 25 seconds interval per puff to ensure the blade is heated to its full power. Comes with the standard blade cleaner to dust off all the fallen tobacco and comes with 10 cleaning sticks, also known as cotton buds. Quick charging, smart charging, a lifesaver for all Iqos 3 Duo smokers. Thanks to its battery innovation, which just got smarter and uses the capacity better. Heets rejoice! Thank you for watching my Iqos 3 Duo unboxed video.